cuties, I'm called Black Rainbow and you can call me Black Rainbow. Lately there is a cutie asking me a question. How to draw a head look up? Wow, that is a good question. So today I want to make this video to reply to the good question. So if you want to know how to draw a head look up, or you don't know how to draw it, of course you have to finish this video, because I will tell you what the thing you have to notice is and how to draw it. So if it is the first time you watch my video, of course I have to tell you my channel is talking about the anime drawing and drawing tutorials. So if you are the person like to draw anime drawing, or you like to learn how to draw, of course you have to subscribe my channel and open the bell so that if my new video release, you will get the reminder. Okay, so let's take a look how to draw it.
Okay, now we can take a look at those two pictures. I found them on the internet and I feel that is really good picture, really good example to you to show you how to draw the head look up. And I try to draw lines with lines just like a draft. And you will notice that there is bottom of chin. And usually people will ignore this and they just draw the head so beautiful. But when they draw a head look up, they forget to draw this, the bottom of chin. But if you draw a head look up and you don't draw the bottom of chin, it just look like a flat. And you can see the right picture. When a person look up, you will feel the chin is so up and cheekbones are down. It's just like your face is out of shape. So if you want to draw a people look up and you don't want to make the face deform, you better not let the angle of the head up be so big. And we can take a look another picture. The left two faces are close the real situation. But the right one is just like a cartoon, or someone draw the face and maybe the person don't want to draw the bottom of chin. That's why the person just want to draw like this. Because it's simple and it isn't too much details. But it looks so weird. So maybe some of cuties will draw like this. Wow, that is so smart way to draw someone look up. But the chin still sharp. So it is not the real situation when you draw someone look up. I know you want to make the face still beautiful. But sometimes if the picture is not real enough, it is not beautiful. So let's take another picture. In this picture, we can draw the chicken bones first. In here, the left picture is a man because his skin connects directly from under his chin to the bottom of his neck. So when he look up, it look like he don't have bottom of chin. And you can see this girl. Her skin is tightly attached to her chin and neck. So in here you can see her bottom of chin is so short. And if the man, we can draw the naked, and after that we can draw the area of his chin. It looks so long. So if you draw too much shadow under your chin, it will look like this man. But if you draw the shadow is so short, small and dark, it would look like this girl. And I believe a lot of people just want to draw their character look like this girl, right? So in the next picture we can see like this. The left one just like the man. The left one, the shadow under the chin is so light and big area and long. And the right one just like the girl. And the right one you can see the shadow just small and short and dark. So if you want to make your character look so beautiful, look so thin, you better draw the bottom of chin, the shadow like the right one. And next, I want to show you the more clear picture. In here, you can see how big the angle the person look up, so that you can compare different angle when you look up like that. And of course, if you really want to make your character look so beautiful, so handsome, you better just draw like the left one, because if the person doesn't look up, the face is so beautiful and so sharp like that. I know a lot of people want to draw a character just like the middle one, because the middle one, yes, he look up, but at least the face is not out of shape. The chin is just rounder. So if you want to draw a character look up and you don't want to make the face out of shape, you better just add more shadow on it. I know a lot of people draw a picture, they don't want to draw the character look up like the right one. Because if you draw the right one, the face look up like this, usually the face just out of shape. So usually if people want to draw the person look up, it's better just change the angle to draw. If draw like this, it's not really beautiful. And I want to show you another examples. When those two girls look up, the angle is kinda big, but why their face still can be so beautiful and thin? Because of the shutting angle. So let me draw the draft to you. Actually, we cannot see the bottom of chin because they are too thin. So how do we make the faces look more elevated? The answer is shadow. You can see I add little shadow under the chin. So if you add shadow on it, you will feel the girl is look up. I think this is the really good way to draw someone look up and you still can make the face still beautiful and thin. Okay, so in the end, I want to demonstrate how I draw the face look up. If you have watched my video before, you will notice that I made auxiliary lines of head proportion, but this time I didn't do this. Because how to draw the different angle of head is different from draw the head proportion. You can remember the head proportions, but it is really difficult to remember any different angle of head. So in here, I want to demonstrate to you how I catch the angle of the head so that you can try to catch the angle, look up, and try the way I draw. So maybe you can draw like this. At the beginning, I will grab the overall outline so that I can make sure I draw the right angle. And after that, I can grab the position of facial features and draw them on it. And in here, I don't want to talk too much detail about the facial features because in the future, I will make more videos talk about the facial feature. So in here, I don't want to talk too much and I just talk how to draw the beautiful head look up. Okay, now you can see I almost finished her face. But why we still feel the face still weird? Because in here I draw the cheekbones line. So next I want to show you how to modify it so that you will feel the face is so thin and so beautiful. In here I make the skin more close the chin and neck. So you can see the face is thinner. And we can draw the more lines on the bottom of chin so that it looks like the shadow on it. So if like this, you can see the face is more beautiful, right? And after that, we can modify the facial feature or other things so that we can make the face more beautiful. So this is the way to draw the beautiful face look up.
Ooh! Congratulations! Now you already know how to draw it, right? Oh my god, I'm so excited if you can share with me what the thing you draw. Maybe you can share with me with Facebook or Instagram. Okay, so if you feel this video is really useful for you and you have friends they want to draw the head look up but they don't know how to do it, of course you have to share this video with your friends so that you can help them to learn how to draw a head look up and they will know what the thing they have to notice. And in the future, I will continue to make the video about the drawing tutorials or about the conception, the techniques or information about drawing. So, if you want to learn how to draw or you want to know about the anime drawing information, of course, you have to subscribe my channel and open the bell so that if my new video release, you will get the reminder. And if you still have the question about anime drawing or you want to learn to draw something else, please comment below. Let me know what the thing you want to learn or you want to know. Maybe in the future I will make a video to reply to your good comment. In the end, let me bring a little color to your life and I hope you can bring your color to others' life.